Gee, the birds are boring around here.
My boy, these birds are what all true warriors strive for.
I just wonder what Ganon's up to.
Your Majesty, Ganon and his minions have seized Your Majesty.
Birds.
How can we help?
It is written, only Link can
Save
Your Majesty.
Birds.
Great! Only Ganon can beat Your Majesty.
Birds.
No! Present.
Evil.
My boy, save my
Birds.
and I will make the greatest dinner.
Minions Ganon and his minions have seized the island of Ganon. Only minions have seized the island of Ganon. Minions have seized the island of Ganon.
Wow. What are all those heads?
These are the
Snowflakes.
of Ganon.
They are extremely powerful, and quite frankly, we haven't a snowflake's chance in Vulcan's Forge of winning here.
I guess I'd better...
Run away!
I wonder what happened to Link.
Your Majesty, Link and his minions have seized the
Snowflakes
of Ganon. Your Majesty, Link can beat your
Birds.
I'm going to Gamelon to eat him.
But Father, what if something happens to you?
Dinner. I'll take the dinner. You don't hear from me in a month. Send dinner.
Impa? Wake up, Impa. We're going to Gamelon.
How about...
Dinner. Dinner.
We're going to Gamelon.
Here is the
What happened?
Nice of the princess to invite us over for a hey, Luigi? I hope she made lots of spaghetti. Luigi, look! It's from
Ganon.
Dear Plumbers, the
Snowflakes
and I have taken over the kingdom.
Birds.
Spearmen are about to attack your cavalry, and they are already in a fight. Get the horse out of there.
We gotta find the
Horse!
and you gotta help us. If you need instructions on how to find the
Horse! Left-click the Show Me How button to zoom to your units.
This be my boy, 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 my boy.
won!
It's been one of those days.